Introduction. Imagine, if you will, a world where everything you see, touch and experience is not what it seems. What if the reality you so firmly believe in is just an elaborate illusion? What if the universe itself is a great deception, just a projection? Remember that as we embark on a journey that challenges everything we know about existence. We expose the biggest lie of all time. Are you ready to question the fabric of reality? Chapter 1, The Illusion of Reality. Let's start with something familiar. Imagine putting a plate on the table. The disc stops, you take food and eat, you feel how the food strengthens your body. You hear digestion, a process as real as any other physical phenomenon. But recent research shows that this particular material world is nothing more than a hollow projection. An illusion created for us to experience. But why? And how? Think about it. We can destroy our bodies with weapons, but our essence can be much more than just a physical form. Our bodies can be condensations in a three-dimensional space that some call soul-dominated. Could it be that we exist simultaneously in another world, only dreaming about our lives on Earth like avatars in a cosmic game? So this world can be nothing but a big puppet theater. Chapter 2, The Siege of Einstein's Relativity. Albert Einstein's theory of relativity was a cornerstone of modern physics, describing the universe as a vast space full of stars, planets, and galaxies. But what if this theory, respected for more than a century, is not the final word on the nature of reality? Modern theories such as quantum gravity and string theory challenge Einstein's assumptions, revealing that relativity does not apply on microscopic scales. Quantum physics and relativity are often at odds with each other, suggesting that there must be a deeper, unifying level. Quantum theory dives into the world of the smallest particles, or quantities of light, which form the building blocks of all larger phenomena. However, these particles do not act as if the matter were actually real. Light quanta, the core of all matter, exhibit strange behavior that defies our understanding of a fixed and stable reality. Chapter 3, Mysteries of Space. Recent discoveries, such as those of the James Webb Space Telescope, reveal phenomena that Einstein's theories cannot explain. For example, black holes and singularities are fundamentally at odds with general relativity. The mysterious existence of dark matter and dark energy, which make up most of the universe, is still unsolved. Space and time, once considered fundamental, can be more flexible and dynamic than we ever imagined. There is still no connection between gravity and quantum mechanics. Some scientists argue that space and time are made up of tiny quantum-like structures that behave in ways we don't yet fully understand. These structures may have intelligence or power beyond our current understanding. Imagine a universe that evolves like a living organism whose physical forces change over time. Chapter 4, Hollow Projection Theory. If everything really is a hollow projection, where does this projection come from and how is it constructed? The idea comes from the idea that all the creative information of our three-dimensional universe is stored on a two-dimensional surface. Based on quantum mechanics and general relativity, this concept indicates that spatial dimensions are governed by deeper physical levels. In practice, this means that every bit of information needed to build our universe is theoretically stored on a two-dimensional surface at the edge of the universe. The purpose of this knowledge is to create a three-dimensional space filled with material objects and physical phenomena. But this projection, like any illusion, raises more questions than it answers. Chapter 5, Consciousness, the ultimate observer. Our brain and senses shape our perception of the universe. We cannot see what is really there, we see what our brain allows us to see. In a holographic universe, gravity results from the projection of information onto a two-dimensional surface, making it a property of the projection rather than a traditional force. As conscious observers, we can play a crucial role in this grand illusion. What if our consciousness is part of a larger universal consciousness that shapes and sustains the universe? We are not mere spectators, but also creators of this reality. Chapter 6, The Mystery of the Speed of Light. We remember from school that the speed of light is the ultimate measure in space. Einstein devoted his life to understanding the forces and phenomena of the universe and concluded that they are all interconnected. According to him, time depends on the location of the observer, and the speed of light sets absolute limits. However, if light is fundamentally different from what we imagined, all our observations and conclusions from the past century may be wrong. Light quanta behave strangely and question the concept of a steady speed of light. This may mean that our understanding of cosmic evolution is based on incorrect assumptions. Chapter 7, Rewriting Cosmic History. Because the speed of light varies, we have to rethink our model of the evolution of the universe. Observations of the cosmic background radiation, which tell us about the early universe, assume a constant speed of light. The fluctuations would invalidate our calculations of distances and times, leading to a radical reassessment of the age and expansion of the universe. Imagine a universe with theoretically possible parent galaxies. The redshift of light used to measure cosmic distances would become unreliable as the speed of light changed. Our entire cosmological frame of reference can be turned upside down. Chapter 8, Beyond Einstein, New Frontiers in Physics. Einstein, Hubble and other cosmological pioneers were not frauds, they gave the best explanations of their time. However, as science evolves, we must open our minds to new dimensions of truth. The concept of a holographic universe suggests that understanding the cosmos requires more than traditional physics. Exploring the holographic universe may require superperception or new specialties. In the 1970s, a man with supernatural perception, Ingo Swann, described Jupiter's atmosphere and rings with remarkable accuracy, long before they were confirmed by spacecraft. Such abilities refer to the ability to explore the universe through the mind. Chapter 9, Quantum Computers and the Future of Understanding. Before we evolve into superminds, quantum computers can help us unravel the mysteries of the universe. These powerful machines were able to identify where our previous models went wrong and guide us to a deeper understanding of reality. With their unparalleled computing power, quantum computers can unlock the secrets that lie in the complex interplay of forces and particles that make up our universe. They can reveal the nature of the holographic projection and our role in it. Chapter 10, The Edge of Knowledge. As we delve into the nature of reality, we must face the possibility that our universe is a vast and complex illusion. This insight challenges our understanding of existence and our place in the cosmos. The search for truth continues, pushing the boundaries of science and human observation. Imagine standing at the edge of knowledge and looking into the unknown. The universe, once considered a stable and predictable place, is now a dynamic, evolving mystery. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding the true nature of reality, but also reveals how much more there is to learn. Conclusion: we are on the threshold of a huge change in our understanding of reality. The universe can be a wonderful illusion, a projection created for us to experience and explore. As we unravel the layers of this cosmic deception, we must remain open to new ideas and possibilities. The pursuit of knowledge is an ever-evolving journey, and we are just beginning to scratch the surface. Join us as we venture into the unknown and challenge everything we thought we were. The truth is out there waiting to be found. Are you ready to see beyond the illusion?